Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make POPEYE SOUR. This is a drink I found on Difford's Guide, and there it says it has been created by Juanillo Falcon while he was working at Creps al Born in Barcelona, Spain. I don't know much more about the drink, but what really intrigues me is that it asks for spinach as one of the main ingredients. So I was like, hey, why not to give it a try? So the first thing we're gonna need is we're gonna take our shaker, and into the shaker we need to put 8 to 10 spinach leaves. I'm gonna slightly break them. And to that we're gonna add 52.5 mils or 1 ounce and 3/4 of silver cachaça. And then I'm gonna slightly muddle. I prefer to add some additional liquid prior muddling. I think it's easier to extract the juices and the flavors. To that we're gonna add 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of mezcal. My brain is not. It's a Sunday, so my brain doesn't work well. So 10 mils. Next thing we're gonna add is the same amount of 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of Orgeat. .5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And 7.5 mils or 1/4 of an ounce of ginger liqueur. I only have homemade at this time, so at the moment, so that is what I'm gonna use. Okay, and the recipe also calls for 1 egg white. So let's see, I don't want to mess everything up, so I separate it apart. Okay. And we're gonna give it a dry shake to mix everything well. You need to keep the shaker really tight, otherwise it tends to expand. So to that we're gonna add ice. Ooh. And we're gonna give it another shake to chill the drink. Let's make a little bit of space. So we're gonna double strain in this new glass I got. The drink is a little bit too small for the size of the glass, or the glass is a little bit too big for the drink, as you wish. But it has a wonderful color, and that egg white really did its job. Okay, and to decorate, I'm gonna use a small spinach leaf. So that is how we make the POPEYE SOUR. Let's give it a taste. So I already made the drink, and then I realized my camera stopped working. So for the tasting, I'm gonna use the one I did 5 minutes ago. So let's taste it again. On the nose, the first thing you catch is the smoky notes from the mezcal mainly, and additional ones from the cachaça. Of course it smells slightly like egg, but not too much due to the aromas I already mentioned. The flavor is good, but if you don't like mezcal, probably this is not a drink for you, since regardless of the really minimum amount of mezcal, these smoky notes are the dominant flavor, at least for me. You have some slight some sweetness from the Orgeat, but I am unable to catch neither the ginger liqueur, neither the Cachaça. I think the mezcal and the Cachaça kind of play with each other and lift these funky, smoky flavors up. So for me at least, that's the main flavors I'm catching. So basically are just these two. The rest I'm totally unable to segregate the flavors and to separate if I found them or not. And I definitely am unable to catch any flavor from the spinach, but I have to admit it gives really nice color, and you can see once it's separate that it looks tremendous, at least in my humble opinion. So once again, I'm not sure if it's not a bad drink, but I'm not sure if I will make it again. I said that the previous time I shoot the video, and look at me now. But apart of that, if you don't like mezcal, once again, I don't think you're gonna enjoy this drink. And nevertheless, I must say, if you feel like experimenting, give it a try and decide for yourself. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.